welcome back to my channel. So friend, in this video I'm gonna show you view of my village. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Okay, sun is here. It's not bright sunny day, it's a dim sunny day. Okay, and also you can see the fog. I can see the fog, and you can see wheat has sown, and one side paddy, all paddy people they have accumulated and getting harvested there, so that after getting harvested they can bring at their home. So our paddy, my paddy is also there. We are bringing every day little bit little, so you can see. And some green vegetable has sown and wheat. This side you can see my field, that thin one. Garlic has grown up, but another things like coriander and spinach has not grown up, but it will be after some days. And you can see so many trees, like here you can see bamboo trees, mahua tree, mango tree, you can see. And very far you must able to see two three trees along, so that those are my tree, two mahua tree and one mango tree, you can see. And there you can see that paddy, and that one, I think, I don't know what is called it, khapada we call. When my house was muddy house, so these all were as a roof. And here I am sitting in the sun. You can see my heart and sitting on the cot. So I'm sitting here and in sunlight and enjoying this moment of jobbing, because all the day we are busy in some things. Okay, so this time I have time, so I am just taking view, enjoying with natures, watching them. And also you can see this is called, I don't know what is called it in English, but it is called nad, in which my cow, she used to eat, but now she is no more, she died. And also you can see the hay little bit. Okay, all things I am showing you. So tell me how this moment is, how this view is of my village. My home is connected with farming area. Behind my home, uh, this farming area. So I feel good, because one side, if we come behind our home, so we are in field, and if we go another side, we are in our home. So both kind of feeling we take. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Today I tried to do something different, because every day I tell you something, to do something, to share some techniques. So I thought, why not to tell some different things. So I hope you like.